Hi guys, today we will teach you how to clean the notebook. Let's do it together. Step 1. Start outside the notebook. Use a tissue moistened with alcohol to wipe the screen, cover the machine, and area around the notebook to be clean. Step 2. Turn off the notebook completely before cleaning the screen and keyboard area. The next step is soak a tissue with alcohol and wipe the keyboard, mouse, screen clean.
Step 4. Use a cotton bud to clean the keyboard groove, screen groove, camera, and various spark holes clean. Step 5. Flip down the screen over and use a tissue soaked in alcohol to wipe the black and surrounding area of the notebook clean.
Step 6. Use the back of the hand dryer die to remove dust from the fan and speaker on the notebook.